Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you what is Momondo and how you can sign up. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So Momondo is a place where you can find flights, find places to stay, and find rental cars. And this site will navigate you where you can book the flights, the hotels and motors and the cars. And after you download the app from the Play Store or Apple Store, then there is that profile icon at the bottom, at the top of the screen, and then you can sign up with your Google account. And if you click on the more sign in option, there is to continue with Google, Booking.com or Facebook. But I'm going to sign in with my Google account. So I've just created my account, and maybe you ask that why you should create an account here, because you can search flights and other things without the account. But if you go to your profile, you can see that there are some options and settings that you can do if you have an account. Like you can customize your search preferences to see more of the results you want, some features, some settings. And this is really great, because if you're someone that you travel a lot, then this is a really great way if you have an account. And in this way you will have some additional features to this app. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.